Quick peek at the teacher dashboard. I'm logged in right now to teacher.desmos.com. You'll see your name up here in the corner. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Desmos Labs. There's a couple of things that you want to turn on. Well, one thing in particular, you want to turn on marble slides, and you can create marble slides. Computation layer is an advanced programming language that allows you to build slides that interact with one another. I don't currently have that turned on, and that's probably more of an advanced feature that might warrant another course down the road. The first place you want to look is your home, and you'll see featured activities and activity pick of the week, and some special promoted activities there by the Desmos crew, and then a couple of bundles. Also on the left hand side, you can bookmark activities that you like. Custom is where you'll make your own, and history is where you'll see a history of the activities that you've run. I'm going to go into history right now so that you can see the Desmos activity showcase, and I can show you the activity that you completed in the first section of this course. You'll notice that I've got anonymous mode on. If I turn that off, you'll be able to see the names of the students that are participating in the activity. Pacing is an option that you can do. You can select certain slides that you can restrict your class to. You can restrict them to a certain amount of slides up to a certain point, and then you can free them up to go through the rest as few or as many slides as you'd like. You can pause the activity, and then all of student devices will show that the teacher has paused the activity if you want to draw the student's attention to something that you're doing at the board. There's a variety of symbols down in this region. A gray dot means the student has viewed or seen that slide. If it is a card sort slide, a check mark will appear if they've done the card sorting correctly. If you go overview here, sorry, I'm on the teacher side now. I can view by student, or I can view the summary. This is where I wanted to see the card sorts. Here's the check mark that student has completed the card sort activity correctly. And you'll also see the number of students that are on each slide. There's a student that is currently logged into this slide and working on slide 6. So the summary view gives you a broad overview of what your students are doing and how much they've accomplished. The teacher side, here is the card sort view, where you can see these green groupings mean that the student has sorted the cards correctly according to the key that was provided in this activity. And the teacher view shows just kind of a summary of the responses. If you take a look here, you see all of the student responses, so you could draw the student's attention to particular themes or particular common answers, and opportunity for great classroom discussion here with those teacher that teacher view. And the student, you can see what the student sees. And that's an opportunity to kind of draw the whole class in and say, this is what this slide looks like, and this is how we can interact with it if you need to do that for the whole crew.